guys, so it has been a while since I filmed for this channel. It feels good getting back to it. And today I'm going to be testing out these lashes. Lashes were at it again, trying out some lashes. This is from 10 Day Lashes. They sent me several pairs to try out. I'm really excited. I don't know exactly how you apply them yet, but 10 Day Lashes, like, sign me up. I'm ready. And these look absolutely beautiful. Like, these are my kind of style. They're just big, extra fluffy lashes, and they already are in the little individual pieces. So we're gonna see how they say to apply them. I'm not sure if these go under or on top of your lash, so we're gonna read all about it and test them out. So a big thank you to 10 Day Lashes for sending me these. I am so excited. My eyes feel naked. Anyone else just so used to lashes or get lash extensions or anything like that, that when you don't have them on, you miss them. You want them back, and I'm ready to put them on and have glamorous lashes. So if you guys are interested in seeing about these lashes and getting back into my videos, I'm really excited to be filming beauty stuff. I've got so much going on my other channel, Glazed Epoxy. If you haven't checked that out, go check it out. It's so much fun, so much glitter, so much color. Big things are coming, and I'm really excited, but I'm also really excited to keep filming on this channel. All right, long enough intro. I feel like it's just been a while, so I needed to talk. I don't know. So let's get into this video. All right, so I just looked into how to apply these, and so there is, first you use the 10 Day Super Lash Bond, and it shows them applying it on top of their lashes. Then you stick these little pieces on with tweezers right on top. Then you go over with the 10 Day Super Lash Seal. So it's a 3-step process. You put on the bond, put on the lash, put on the sealant, and it's supposed to last for 10 days. So anything I've done, I've used, why do I always forget the name of it? Lashify. I have used Lashify. What I do is I buy their glue, and I will buy just drugstore lashes, and I kind of chop it up myself. And that is it's similar. You put on a black like glue, then on the actual band itself, you put the like white, like extra strong glue or something, and then I stick those to my lash, squeeze it on, and those last, I can get like 4 or 5 days usually, and then they start looking weird. So I'm interested to see if these will actually last that long. Also, you use this Super Lash Removal Gel to remove it. It just says you put some on, wait a few minutes, and then you gently tug them off. So I feel like this glue might be stronger than what I'm used to, because the Lashify glue kind of just peels and like slides off after a few days. Like, you can just slide them off. It doesn't like need anything to take them off. So that's interesting. And then you can get like a starter kit that has 3 sets of lashes, the tweezers, the sealant, the bond, and the removal gel for $64. And they have different sales and stuff that I've noticed, like percentage off. So that's not a bad price for especially 3 pairs, and I'm wondering if you can reuse them too. I haven't seen on here where it says if you can reuse them or not, but a lot of the times they say you can. I don't know that I like to, especially with the drugstore ones that I use. I just throw them away because they're like $3, $4, and I prefer not to sit there and try to clean them, and I just throw them away. But when they're more expensive, and these are so pretty. So I have 3 different ones here. I have this one comes in like a flat box, and this doesn't have a name on it, so I'm not sure which style that is, but those are really pretty. These are a little more on the natural side. And then I have these, which they're so pretty. I can't even, oh, so this is in the style Los Angeles, and this is in the style Paris. So I think I'm gonna go with Paris, just because they're a little smaller, and typically for my eyes, I need like, my eyes are kind of smaller than I feel like a lot of people's, so I usually trim like the end, and like, so I may not even be able to use this whole lash, so we'll see. But first, let me get you guys zoomed in and we'll apply these beautiful lashes. All right, now that you're zoomed in, let's go ahead and start. So we are doing the 10-day Super Lash Bond first. So this is just like, it looks black. It's just on a little tiny like applicator brush, just like a fine line brush. And then the video shows them just kind of sweeping it on like this on top of their lashes. So let's go ahead and do that. Which I feel like I don't have a lot of lashes. It's really difficult doing this on the top. I'm used to the bottom. Like when you put mascara on, you're putting it on the bottom. So this is a different thing. Okay, hopefully it has enough to hold on to because there's not a lot there. All right. So I think I'm just going to, there's 5 sections in here. I think I'm just going to skip the outside section and start one in and just do 4. I usually do 4 sections. So yeah, let's try. So just taking it with my tweezers. And they're very, very like curved, like whoop, like a swoop curve. Like they are, yeah, they're just really curved. So let's do the second piece. Okay, I don't know if I'm going to be able to fit even 4. So I only have 3 chunks on my eye and that basically is enough. I can't go all the way down here because if I do that, it like drags my eye down and the lash kind of goes whoop and like, so I have to start a little bit in and then, so yeah, I mean, it looks pretty. So, I mean, you can definitely tell a difference there. So now let's put the bond on. So the bond is like a little mascara wand and it's white. And then this you kind of just put on like mascara. Is it gonna stay? Okay. So this is just like helping bond your lash to the fake lash. Then they have these tweezers, which are really nice and they're gold. So then I just take them with the curved side and just kind of go in and clamp down, making sure not to pinch your eyelid because I have done that before. So I like to clamp more at the base of my lash line and then I go out a tiny bit and clamp again and it just helps and they really feel on there. No, that one is like not sticking to anything. Okay, the other ones feel on there, the inside one wants to move around. Okay, let's try that. Well, I feel like it's just not grabbing on too much, but it looks good so far. So that is the first eye. I mean, it feels on there. They feel very secure. I mean, they're a beautiful lash. It's just really nice and fluffy. They are very long, so I mean, these, the Los Angeles style is even longer. So I'm like, what would these look like on my eyes? Because I do have smaller eyes, so bigger lashes tend to look too big on me. So let's go ahead and do the other eye. I'm just gonna speed through it, and you guys, since you saw me do the other eye. All right, let's go. So there's both lashes done. This one gave me a little bit of trouble, but I think I got it on there okay. So far they look beautiful, and if they last 10 days, that is amazing. I can't, because I want lashes all the time. I don't want to have to redo them. I don't want to have to take them off and worry about one falling off and being weird. I will say that I do prefer the putting these kind of lashes underneath. So maybe next time I apply these, I will try just putting them underneath and see if that works better for me. But I don't know. My eyes are just, you know, smaller, and I feel like they're curved more. So to try to get lashes on top of the curve and look nice is kind of difficult. So putting them underneath kind of just hides the band of the lashes, which these are cut. So you have these little, you know, edges of the lashes that could stick out. So yeah, for me, I think just maybe using this glue and stuff and just applying them underneath, but I'm gonna have to test it out and see. Go the 10 days. I'll update you guys. I don't know if I'm gonna do an actual like video update, or if I'll just put it in the description box, or do, you know, I don't know. I don't know if they're gonna fall off later today, but I will let you know how it goes and if they last the full 10 days or not, and then what I think about them after I've tested them out. But that is it for this video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'm glad to be filming makeup stuff again. So excited. So that is it. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.